Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a graduation portrait using your photos on Mivo. So if you have like a selfie or a photo and you want to make it like a graduation portrait, you can do so by using Mivo. Here what you need to do is find the AI photo options. I'm going to go with AI photo girl. You can see there's this scholar AI effect, this rock star, and there's this graduation pose. So for example, I'm going to use this ones right here. So let's just click on the effects. Now click on these free unlock. So you need to watch an ad to unlock this effect. Let's click on this. Now let's choose the photo. You can just choose your photos. I'm going to use this one for example, and now it's processing. So here is the result with my photo. Now you can just save it to your gallery by clicking on this export. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.